Hey guys, in this video, I will guide you through how you can force restart your iPhone. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I'll also explain how long to hold the buttons, why and when you might need to do a forced restart, and answer some follow-up questions you might have. Let's get started. Sometimes your iPhone may become unresponsive, frozen, or experience software glitches. In such situations, a forced restart can help refresh the device without affecting your data. Here are a few common scenarios where a forced restart might be necessary. When your iPhone screen is frozen and not responding to touch, or when an app crashes and causes the phone to become unresponsive, or your iPhone gets stuck during startup or while updating iOS. Now, let's go through the steps to force restart your iPhone. First, press the volume up button once. Then, press the volume down button once. At last, press and hold the power button and your iPhone will be restarted. So that's how you can force restart iPhone. That's all for this video. If you really found it helpful, consider subscribing and leave a like. I will catch you in the next one. Thanks.